Good job, bud. Come here. Good boy. Which one are you going for?
Huh?
Which one are you going for?
The one right beside the log there.
Okay, Hunter, move, bud. Yeah. Ignore that super skinny one. Okay, so what are you doing?
I'm just gonna
Lift it up?
the log, pull it out, and then we can readjust on the bucket.
Okay. Fine, go. Perfect. Hold on. The sawmill slid over. We gotta move it. Okay.
Good morning. Back at it again. Today we're just gonna see how many logs we can put through the sawmill.
Yeah, how much lumber can we make in one day? That's our goal for the day.
Yep.
It is beautiful and sunny. It's a bit chilly out right now. It's only about plus, I don't know, 7 degrees Celsius right now. And it's going up to 18. So that's awesome.
Perfect day for working on the sawmill.
Yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna stand without these bug suit hoods up, but
I'm putting it up as soon as we're done this intro.
Yeah, because the black flies, you can probably see them in the camera. They are flying around our faces.
They are out. The black flies are here. And so we're now into bug season, so I'm gonna be living in this jacket.
Yep.
Oh, I lost my pencil.
I have an extra.
Yay.
Here you go.
Thanks.
It's a little stubby guy.
That's okay.
I got the long one. It was on the floor in the porch.
That's mine.
Oh, it's mine now.
Okay, so we're gonna get some logs on the mill, and Amanda's gonna mill them. I'm gonna be working on some other stuff around, but
yeah,
we're just gonna see what we can put onto the mill today.
Yep. So through the course of the video, you guys are gonna notice we're gonna put on the side of the screen all the what we cut, quantities, so that way we can figure out exactly how much, you know, how much this day is actually worth to us, because I'm curious to know how much, you know, time does it take us to make obviously one piece of lumber, but how much does it take us to, like, if we mill the whole day. So that's the plan today. And we make true 2 buys and 1 buys and whatever. So it's 1 full inch or 2 full inches by 6 or 8. We use 2x8s for the floor, 2x6s for the walls. So we're making all of those things today because that's what we need. 1 buys to finish off the subfloor, and 2x6s for the wall build, so which is coming next. So you guys have not seen yet the subfloor going on. That will be next week's video. But this week, this is what we're doing. So let's have at her. you're done, eh? That's
I'm good.
it?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, so we actually really want to know, you know, how much can we mill in a day, and how much money are we saving by milling this wood versus, you know, the hours it takes us to do it. So,
yeah.
I mean, if we paid ourselves minimum wage, which is like $15 an hour, which is you know, we'll see how much money we're actually saving. All right, let's go. Break.
All right.
All right, so the log is cutting, or the sawmill is cutting the log crooked. So we're gonna have a really hard time making straight lumber if we leave it like that. So Mikey's getting some tools and yeah, he's gonna try to level the bunks back out with a log on because it's already here. Hey, bud. You got buggies in your... Oh, you gotta go lay in the shade, bud. You're all warm. Oh, he's such a warm boy. You got a water dish over there. Go get a drink. right. So, finish out the day. We milled 3 logs, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it feels like a lot.
It's just hot. Like,
it's not hot though. Like, it's only like 20 degrees, but the sun in these bug shirts, oh my goodness.
yeah. They do great for the bugs.
Yep.
But I'm gonna start poking holes in it.
It's 17 degrees, it says.
Yeah.
Which I think is a lie.
It's probably a lie.
There's a lot of sawdust on my phone. That's crazy.
It's a beautiful day.
Totally. I don't have
And
any connection.
it would be better. We could get a lot more work done if we weren't wearing sweatsuits.
Yeah.
I mean, I could lose a few pounds, but not like this.
All right, so what did we make? We made, oh, I wrote it down. Hold on, let me just check my list. Because I didn't want to forget, you know? So, what does that say? I can't see through my bug shirt. 9 2x6 by 12 foot, and 10 1x8 by 12 foot.
Oh, plus those 4. Or did you write those?
They're included.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, and so tomorrow you're gonna finish off the subfloor.
Yeah.
And that video, which is great.
Mm-hmm.
And then hopefully by the time I'm home on Friday, maybe it won't rain, and that would be lovely. And we maybe can build a wall. Because maybe Thursday you'll have to keep milling, make more 2x6s.
Yeah.
Because we just counted up our 2x6s. I think we have about 24 of them or so, maybe between 20 and 30 essentially. But that's really only enough to build
one wall.
The back wall. The longest wall, 24 feet, but essentially it's about 1 2x6 per foot when you include the top and the bottom, and then it's 6 per 8 feet of studs. So we worked out 8 per 8 feet. And so.
And then the extra.
Yeah, so 24 feet. Yeah, so then there's that too. So, we're part of the way there building 2x6s, making 2x6s.
But
probably have all the subfloor down now.
Yeah.
That should be all that we need for subfloor.
So now it's all 2x6 from here on.
Yeah, but a lot of them, because we need to do like around the windows and around the door and all the small walls and the extra pieces for the corners. Because you need like 4 per corner and all that fun stuff.
King studs, jack studs.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So basically we need
a lot.
Probably 100. I'm guessing 2x6s to build the building at least.
Yeah, and then we need a couple interior walls.
Yeah, but those we're building out of 2x4 because they're not insulated, and one of them doesn't even go all the way to the ceiling. So it's only like if we were to cut 12-foot 2x6s or 2x4s, I mean 12-foot 2x4s, we're only going 6 feet in height on the one wall on the inside. So we could cut those in half. Because it seems like a lot of the trees that we cut were 12-footers. Yeah. Which super does not help when we go to build the roof. But hey.
Yeah, well, there's a few more trees that we need to actually take out anyway, like cut down.
Yeah.
And we'll make 16-footers out of those.
Like that one, and that one, and that one, and that guy right there.
I meant
not
down.
Really.
I meant down at the house area, but
these ones. No, there's a few more at the house. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how many. Anyway.
So okay. Yeah, so that's today.
So I'm going to include on the screen here how much the value of all the wood is that we just made here at our local lumber store, like Home Depot. I'll check the prices and figure that out, and I'll post it right here on the screen, and that'll be really cool. All right, so if you guys like these sawmilling videos, give us a thumbs up, and we're doing lots of building too, so yeah, subscribe. We're gonna keep working on the studio here behind us, and then we're gonna build a house, so stick around and hit subscribe, and hopefully you'll get notified of the videos when we post them.
And tune in next time.
That's right. We'll see you next week.
Same bad time, same bad channel.
Yes. And of course, if you've gone down some sort of rabbit hole watching a bunch of our videos, we appreciate you. And if you want to watch another video, check out this one.